10:32 on Saturday morning. Very late for us. We had a lie-in because we're not well. Keep using that excuse, we're not well. But just left the hotel at the foot of Skiddaw. We've been planning to do Skiddaw the whole time, but we're not well, so I don't think we will.
Have we mentioned we're not well?
We're not well. Don't know if we've mentioned. Go left. So we're just going through a little adventure through Dodd Wood, heading towards Skiddaw, and we'll see how we feel. But there's a good chance we won't actually be doing any big hills. All the mountains are covered in snow this morning. Looks absolutely lovely. It's freezing cold. The dark forest. Oh. Muddy. just like a winter wonderland or adventure. Could be in the Alps right now, or Scotland, just in the lakes.
I keep thinking we're in Scotland.
Yeah, I keep thinking we're in the Alps. But my experience of this kind of weather is the Alps.
Yeah.
This type of scenery. Look at that. Oh.
Careful.
Slippy there. So after a nice fun snowy adventure, we didn't make it to the top of Skiddaw. No, we almost made it. We got about halfway up. Wasn't really our plan to get to the top though. We would have liked to, but we're not really in the right state for it. So we just came for a nice little adventure. Got some good views, good pictures, had a good adventure, bit of fun. Now we're just on our way back down now. Starting to leave the snow behind. Seeing the sun's gone in. Well, at least it's not been raining. Not too windy. It's just windy at the top of the ridge. So yeah, we've stayed at Ravenstone Manor for the last 4 nights, isn't it? We're booked in for Thursday to Sunday. It's a lovely hotel.
Would highly recommend it.
Yeah, would highly recommend it. Breakfast's great.
Good location.
Yeah, ideal location. We've not had to drive anywhere. We've literally just run out the front door and we're straight onto trails and paths. There's the lake, Bassenthwaite Lake, out the front door, which we did yesterday. First thing in the morning, and then we're at the foot of Skiddaw and Dodd Wood, which are just full of different routes and trails. But the hotel's great, really nice and comfy. The food's been brilliant.
Wi-Fi is a bit slow.
Wi-Fi is a bit slow.
But other than that,
Yeah, other than that, it's been great. Hang on this bit. Final little stretch now back to the hotel along this trail that runs parallel to the road. I'll be back in about 5-10 minutes, I'd imagine. And time for a shower and start looking at somewhere to eat tea later on. Have dinner later on. Just a little clip at the end of a lovely mini moon to Keswick, the Lake District. Keswick, it's spelled Keswick. So yeah, what were we reviewing? The afternoon tea. Sparkling afternoon tea we had at, what was it called?
Broad Oaks Country House.
Yeah, Broad Oaks Country House, just outside Windermere.
Yeah.
Just off Windermere Lake, just off the main road. Oh, mega. Best afternoon tea I think we've had ever. Just so much. There's 4 slices of cake.
4 slices of cake, that's 6 sandwiches each.
6 sandwiches each.
Plus
I had a mega sausage roll.
Sausage rolls, pies.
Yeah, pig in blanket. You had fluffles. 2 scones, homemade massive scones each. Infinite coffee and tea.
4 cakes and then the little posset.
And the little posset,
Posset?
yeah, lime posset, which was absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
We're absolutely stuffed. I'm surprised the car can carry us. But yeah,
It was really good.
yeah, it was absolutely amazing. So yeah, can't speak highly enough of it. But yeah, that ends our little adventure in the car on the way home. Stopped off at Sainsbury's for some petrol, some salad, because I don't think we can eat much tonight. So yeah, till the next one. Adios. Bye bye.